Hey, hello. Good morning,
Hello.
Nissan.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am good. I am good. How are you, ma'am?
That's very great. Yeah, I'm also good. By God's grace. Thank you so much for asking to me. And you're the most welcome at this platform as Awesome Blossom English Learn.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks. It's my pleasure to be here. Thank you so much
Yeah, thank you,
for
sir.
your
No, sir. It's
invitation.
really very pleasure to us that you are here. You are among us. That's right. Because of you are really great teacher of yoga. So, guys, today we will talk about the yoga, about health, about mindset, about why people also taking a lot of stress. What is the reason
Yeah.
of what kind of cause that people so much, taking a stress. Why? What is the reason? Do you know about that? Let's take participates with Vikas sir. So Vikas sir, actually I know you that you are really very great personality from Bihar and you are yoga teacher as well. So could you
Yeah.
please introduce yourself, sir?
Yeah. Why not? My name is Vikas, and I am from Bihar. Currently, I am doing civil engineering at a government engineering college in Bihar, and I am also founder of English Yadi. And apart from it, I love to do yoga. I guide people to do yoga. I have been doing yoga since childhood, so I have good knowledge about yoga. I love to guide people to do exercise, to do yoga. So that's all about me.
Wow, that's really amazing. Once again, you're the most welcome with clapping. Great clap. Okay. So actually, question is that question is that actually a lot of people also taking a space nowadays. And what is the reason? Like that because they are facing in especially pandemic situations, or according to me, actually it's not in pandemic only. Like this problem is earlier problem. This problem is
Yeah,
with everyone.
yeah,
So
exactly.
like what kind of cause you can ask? You can tell to us.
Yeah, I would like to share one thing that, yeah,
Yeah.
yoga is the one technique, a
Mm.
tool which help people to be calm in their life, whatever work you are doing. If you're with your work, if you take only a few minutes, like 20 or 25 minutes from your busy schedule, and start doing yoga, exercise, that yoga and exercise, that things will definitely give you peace, calm. You will feel less stress when you start doing yoga. So I have been telling people since long. So at least take 20 minutes from your busy schedule and do some yoga and exercise. In yoga, we have two things. The first thing is you can do some asana. Asana, it's take 1 or 2 minutes to do an asana. And another thing is pranayam. And I would say that pranayam definitely help us to be calm. So if you have so much stress, you can do pranayam anytime, anywhere. We have mostly 7 pranayam. Like first one, most important is Kapalbhati. Like you can do that. Just inhale your breath from one nose and close one, and then exhale from the other. So in that way, whenever air goes in your mind and comes from it, then you will feel relaxed. That yeah, so I told that pranayam, in amongst pranayam, I told about Kapal Bhati, Anulom Vilom, and apart from it, we have others as well. So you can start doing pranayam from anywhere, from any time. So it's not like you
Anytime.
need to wake up. You need to wake up too early to do yoga. It's not like that. If you are in office, you are working there, and you started feeling so stressed, your mind is not working properly. Just do yoga, pranayam for few minutes. Then definitely you will feel relaxed.
Oh my God. Actually, I also thought that we also can do exercise and yoga only and only in early morning. That it's mean we don't have need to like wake up in early morning just for
Yeah,
yoga. Like we also can do any time. Is it? Is it?
yeah, yeah.
Is it?
It's
Nikki?
it's
Yeah.
yeah. It's you can do yoga anytime.
Okay.
And yeah, nowadays people are doing gym at morning, at afternoon, at evening. Whenever they get time, they go for gym. So there is no any particular schedule. But according to our Vedas and all, it says that if you wake up too early and do yoga, then it would be better for your health. Like people,
Mhm.
our according to our Ved and Granth, they say that you need to wake up early in the morning and start your work after doing yoga. So that was the concept. But yeah, if you are not getting time in morning, you can do any time. Whenever you have a stress, you can do few of the pranayams. It will definitely relieve your mind.
Oh, that's really great. So actually, I have questions. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah,
Please ask.
actually, you are a yoga teacher and I'm podcaster. So I also can give the knowledge to my audience and students as well, and especially those students or audience that they are really very feeling so much exhausted, so much stressful life. So the question is
Yeah,
that some people also say that you just focus on the gym or exercise, or some people say that you also focus on the yoga, like as a Baba Ramdev. But
yeah,
Baba Ramdev and about the yogas people that they also really very habitual to do. So
yeah,
for them it's really very piece of cake. But
yeah.
for like we also can say, especially for me, so I just saw that yoga is really so much lazy exercise like that. If you just go to prefer, if you prefer to go gym, so definitely you also can work out, and within 2 months you also can release your fitness, and you also can really really feel really very good. So is it okay or like not?
Like, yeah, it's okay. If you wanna do physical exercise, you can go to gym, and people prefer to go gym. But for mental peace, you need to do yoga. Yoga, pranayam, those things give you mental peace, calm in your life. You will be more focused towards your work. And yeah, but yeah, if you wanna lose your weight, if you wanna be more fit, you can do exercise. You can go to gym, but for mental peace, for more concentration, you need to do some yoga and pranayam.
So, means I can say that if you want both, both benefits.
Yeah,
Like first is physically, second is mental. So
mentally.
for that things we also can do yoga. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, you can do. I do both the things. Earlier, I
Okay.
was doing only some of yoga and asana, but when I thought that, yeah, now I should be little more fit. Like every youth, they want to be fit and they want to have good muscular body. Then I have also started doing gym. So I do for few minutes gym, and every day I do yoga as well. And I'm more focused towards yoga and asana because my work is related to focus and concentration. Like all the students, their work is related to a study, so they need to have good focus and concentration, then they will be able to understand anything easily in a short period of time.
Oh yeah, that's really great. So actually, sir, there's a question also creates about the focus. You also told to us that about the focus.
Okay.
You also can
Yes.
concentrate. But like we also can like I also thought I also listened to her many times, and my kids also like doing meditations. So what do you think about the meditations? That by the meditations we also can concentrations our mind, or like not necessary meditations.
Actually, meditation help us to be more focused and concentrate to our words, to our works, whatever we are. Nowadays, we have a lot of distractions of mobile phone, laptop, and electronic gadget. We have so many applications and things. In this world, if you wanna be more focused and concentration, then you need to do yoga. You need to do meditation as well. Meditation is also a part of yoga,
Okay.
and meditation are also varieties. Like in meditation we have visual meditations. In meditation we have mantras meditation, like
So what
ucharan
kind?
of.
Well, actually, also I also heard like meditation. Actually, I also don't know too much knowledge of meditations, but I also heard only meditations. But I don't know that meditations also like different way of
Yeah,
also they are.
yeah,
So there is
yeah.
a many types of meditations.
Mainly there is there are three types of meditation. The
Okay.
first two, yeah, you can say mantras meditation, visualization meditations, and the third one is concentration. You need to just concentrate on any one particular point.
Okay. So you first, like, please, could you share with us about the
Yeah,
mantra?
yeah. Mantra means we have Om. Om mantra. You can do charan of Om. Just make your hand like this, and after that you can sit down anywhere at a comfortable place, at a peace place, and you can do uchcharan of Om. And apart from Om, we have different mantra as well. And
Oh.
yeah, so like I am big fan of Jay Sati. So you may have heard that name, Jay Sati.
Yeah.
So he has been monk as well, and nowadays he is uploading videos, making podcast on yoga, meditation, those the things. So I have I'm great fan of Jay Shetty. I have also I have a book of, I'm reading that book, Think Like a Monk. So in that
Okay.
book he have mentioned that there is three types of meditation,
Okay.
and so there is also importance of each one. There is the importance of each one in their own respective.
Yeah.
So
And what about the second virtual meditation?
second virtual meditation, you can take an example like you are sitting somewhere, you can close your eyes and you can think that, yeah, now I am climbing somewhere, I am climbing on a tree, I am going to climb mountain, or you can make a thought, a visualization thought. I am becoming IS officer, or I am becoming a big YouTuber, I am becoming a big yoga teacher. A lot of people are coming to us and they are listening me. So you can just visualize these things for few minutes, and it's give us whatever you visualize. It also not impact you, in your impact in your mind in a positive way.
Oh,
So
is it me?
yeah, it's true. So it's good to do visualization practice.
Oh, that's really lovely. And sir, what about the third meditation?
The third meditation, that you can focus on any point, like while closing your eyes you can focus on your mind that, yeah, I am inhaling my breath and I am exhaling my breath. You can focus on it, or you can focus just, yeah, on any point, yeah, like you can make a Om structure in your mind and you can focus on that. The main thing is they focus on their breath. It's common, everybody, most of the people, they do focus on their breath. Breath is coming, whenever we take breath, breath is coming and then we exhaling. So we need to just focus, yeah, breath is, we are taking breath and we are exhaling it.
Okay. So in this way, we can say that in the third meditation, we also have to listen our breathing. Am I right?
Yes, yeah, focus on your breath.
Okay. And in the second, that you also can make imaginations. You can,
Yeah,
you can
go to your
imagine it.
visual world.
What do you want to become in the future? You can imagine it. Like I also
Yeah.
want to become a motivational speaker in world. So I also can imagine it that
Yeah,
I
you
am
can
so focused
imagine
on
that
meditation.
I am going to address thousands of people in any seminar and they are listening to me, they are making clap for me. So you can visualize those things.
Even I am also trying to visual now. Oh my god.
Like
Okay.
whatever is in future, whatever we will gain and whatever we have gained, it's also result of our visualization. Few days ago or few years ago, you have visualized all the things.
Oh, that's really
That's why you have all the things. Some of the time you may have thought that I will start doing podcast and I will invite people to have a conversation, have podcast. I'll make. That's the result of your visualization. Now you are doing like that.
Yeah, exactly. So really great. And so actually question is that you also saying that you also focus on the meditations if you want to control your mind. if you want
Yeah.
to live your life as a virtually, so you also can imagination yourself, and by the imaginations you also can be really very feel you know,
Yeah.
ecstatic in your life, as well as you also can feel that you are really amazing personality in your life, and you also can be
Yeah.
think to do according to great personality. So
Yes.
question
Yes.
is that the question is that we should do meditations, like three type of meditations you told to us, that
Yeah.
we should do three types of meditations, or like we also can focus only on only one meditation.
You can start with one if you like three or all three. You can do all three, but you can start with one. You know, in a starting, it's tough. People start doing meditation after 2 or 3 days, they give up. But I would say that if you wanna start anything, start taking baby step. First day, just do for 2 minutes. Second day, do for 3 minutes, and after definitely after 1 week, you will able to concentrate. You are able to do meditate for 5 or 10 minutes as well.
So we also can grow our mental power. We also can grow our mental power by meditations, isn't it?
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Oh,
definitely,
very
it's
much.
true. So,
Okay.
like, why is it important? I'm going to share the importance of meditation. Like, you have you have to do some work. You sit down on a table and start working.
Yeah.
But at the same day, you have done some work with your friends. You talk with some topics, and when you started doing work, that topics also is coming in your mind. So that time you will get distracted. You will start thinking. Your mind will be there, but you are doing work on your table, but your mind will be not present at the same moment. So for those things, you need to do some meditation so that at one time you can able to concentrate on one thing. Yeah.
Okay. That's very amazing. Okay. So actually, sir, I think is that a lot of people are also living with the family, and there's a siblings, there's children, there's parents, and there's a lot of noise also here. So
Yeah.
in these situations, it's really very hard task how to concentrations while the meditations. So
Uh,
any kind of tricks you also can suggest to us, or you also can tell to us about the tricks how to concentrations. That it's very very hard. Like besides, suppose like I'm married, my husband also calling to me, Richa, Richa, where are you, Richa? Like, and I'm doing meditation. I just try to focus on the meditation. But what do you think in these situations? We also can be focused on the
no,
meditation.
no, 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 no. You need to have some comfortable place. There is no one available to call you. So you can go to any park. There is a lot
Okay.
of people. They do meditation there. You can go to any park. You can find any room where no one is available. You can close your door and you can do that for a few minutes. Yeah, you need to find that environment. You need to find that place. Place should be your park, any room where no one is available. You can do on your terrace as well in the morning. There is, I think, there is no one. Everyone is sleeping in the morning. You can get up in the morning and you can do on your balcony. You can on your terrace, on your in any park. So those are place you can go there.
Okay, that's really amazing. So by yoga and by meditations, we also can be fit, not just physically, we also can fit by mental also.
Yes, yes.
So like what do you want to say that if we will do yoga and meditations, both are things if we will do in our routine life, so definitely we also can avoid stressful life or not.
Yeah, when you start doing that, I think just do for one day. Definitely you will find a result. You will get result just after doing 2 or 3 days. You will feel that yeah, now I'm able to concentrate better than earlier. So I would say that if you start doing, definitely within a 1 week, 5 days, you will get that result. Yeah, I have started feeling little better. Now I am more focused towards my work. I am more productive.
Okay,
So yeah,
that's
it's
really nice.
definitely give you result.
So actually, okay, I got the question that if we will focus again yoga and meditation.
Yeah.
But what do you think about the appreciations, about motivation? Like if we want to be, yeah, like if we want to keep ourselves as a positive vibe, so of course we also can save by the stressful life. Suppose right now I'm very feeling exhausted or feeling stressful. I am thinking about my life and about my work that I also lose my job. So it like after that all things I am also taking a stress in my life. Okay, so what happened that when we prefer to listen any motivation speaker on the YouTube platform, or you can say like any inspired story. So that time we also like really feeling amazing. So what do you think? Like appreciation, motivation. That is also like good if we don't if we don't want to do yoga and meditation.
Yeah. So
Meditation, meditation, not yoga. Yeah.
yeah. So as you are talking about appreciation and motivation, so I feel that we need to have some motivation in order to do anything. And whenever anybody motivate us, like if you are doing some work and your husband say that, yeah, Richa, you are doing such a great work, you will feel motivated. So
Exactly.
definitely, and you have started work that YouTube or you are doing podcast. If people make comment and they say that Richa, ma'am, you are doing such a great work. We are you are helping to a lot of people. We are getting new things from your YouTube channel, from your podcast. So that appreciation from that words will give you the motivation.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
motivation and appreciation is like a meal. We need to eat it.
Yes. So I
Yeah.
can say like appreciation must be, but like sometimes what happen, like people want to appreciate you, but they don't want to appreciate to the child or to any successful person, which person living with them, sorry, among them. Reason is that I can say they jealous. Reason is that I can say because of society. And in this situation, how to appreciate, how to
Yeah,
get the
yeah.
appreciation.
That's quite good questions. Yeah. The first thing is I would say that we need to find that good environment where people can understand your work and they can understand your work. Then they will give you appreciation, motivations. So find that environment, that kind of environment where people like your work, people appreciate your work, then your work will be so easy. If they will not criticize you, they will not demotivate you, then your path will be easy. You don't need to worry about what people will think if you have someone to appreciate and motivate you. And everybody has, like, we have our parents, they appreciate us, they motivate us, and we need to also do same with our childs. We need to appreciate, beta, you did good today, it's excellent. Like you ask for one glass of water to your baby, okay, and she give you the glass of water, and then after that you say, wow, good beta. They will feel that, yeah, when I gave a one glass of water to my mom, she appreciated me, she said me good, yeah, it means that I am a good. So it's also kind of what appreciation for them.
Yes, appreciation.
If they score good in exam, we need to appreciate them. Then they will do more work. And as being a leader, I am running an organization. As being a leader, every day it's my daily routine to appreciate my team member, to say that, yeah, you are doing such a great thing. You can do better than that. You can come up with new creativity. So they feel that, yeah, they are Vikas is appreciating my work. I am doing good. I am growing in my career. So appreciation is a kind of meal. We need to spread it. We need to also have it. Take it.
So I would like to give you a virtual condition. Like
Okay.
suppose you can imagination. Please don't judge. Actually, this is a task. Okay, you can handle like as a task. Okay, suppose you living another country. Suppose okay, this is a virtual that you have to virtual only, and in these conditions that you are really doing great,
Yeah.
and but your family is not with you. Your family
Sorry,
is not with
pardon.
your family is not with you.
Okay.
Your family is not with you, or can say siblings also with you, but they are not, they are not appreciate you. Okay,
Yeah.
suppose your family is with you, but like
They
there is
don't
no
support.
any support, just because of they want money.
Mhm.
What are you earning? Okay, but you are not earning just because of your focus on the learning process, your focus on the training process, your focus also like for a future plan, that you also can think a biggest achievement, and that's why
Okay.
you are doing you are like you are focused on any another skills, and your age is suppose 26 or 27 years old,
Mhm.
but
Mhm.
you don't want to, you don't want to interrupt your mind according to your your parent want to do that, but you don't want to do that because your target and your field, and you want something new. In these conditions, in these circumstances, how
Yeah.
to appreciate you, how to appreciate you.
And the first thing I would say that in your life, at least make some good friends who can always appreciate you, always motivate you.
No,
So in that
no,
condition, you can do.
there is no one appreciate you. There is no one appreciate you. Suppose you can virtually, you can imagination that there is no any appreciate.
Yeah,
Even
I
people also speak to you in a beginning of time because people jealous to you. Suppose you are speaking in English, okay, and you are trying to learn English speaking, okay, but people don't want to see you while you are speaking in English. And in these
yeah.
conditions, what will you do?
At that time, I would like to, yeah, definitely it would be a tough time for me. And at the time, I would think like, yeah, it is my training period. Whatever I am getting from people and from my parents' side, I need to prove that I am right. So that motivations come from my inside. That time that motivation will be come from inside, that I need to prove myself that I am right, and whatever decision I have taken, I will prove it. I will become successful in that field. So we need to have always optimistic. And I am a optimistic kind of person. So at every situation, I try to find some way to resolve that issue. So yeah, I am a co-positive kind of person. So at every situation, I will take it positively. I will take it as a motivation. That if you have taken some decision, that decision has been taken already. You can't go back. So at that time, if you need to prove yourself, yeah, whatever decision I took, I was right at that time. For that, you need to do hard work. You need to prove yourself. And
Oh, that's
definitely
really
one day, whoever will pleasing you, they will appreciate you. They will say, they will come to you, and they want to take a selfie with you as well.
Oh my God. Yeah, definitely. But for that things, when you will be successful in your life, when
Yes, yeah.
you will get achievements, many achievements when you will get at the time, yeah, definitely they will appreciate you first, your
Yeah,
parents, your siblings, your best friend as well.
yeah, yeah,
So yeah, for that successful of life, and when you started your journey, in
yeah,
this period you have to suffer a lot. So
yeah,
for that thing, yeah, for that things, I would like to say to my audience that just don't imbalance your mind. Just try to believe on yourself. Just try to take meditations, which like Vikas sir already told to us, and just doing exercise. Because if you will be healthy, if you will be healthy, definitely you can be, you can be maintain yourself. And when you are maintained, definitely you can be active. You cannot be feel like laziness in your life. And by you also can you also can kick your stressful of life by the meditation. So just focus on the meditation as well as exercise both are. So, and I would like to say one thing. I don't know, Vikas sir, I'm nothing in front of you that you are amazing teacher of yoga, but like I just thought, even I also like I also suggested to my students, my children as well. When no one is appreciating to you in this condition, just try to appreciate yourself. Just try to
Yeah,
like little bit clap on your shoulder, and definitely you will be really very proud. At that time, you
yeah,
just think it's
yeah,
okay. My
yeah. We
plan
need to
complete.
help. Yeah, we need to help ourselves. God is also waiting for that. If anyone is ready for their own help, then definitely I will be there to help them.
Exactly, exactly. So just try to appreciate yourself when like you are facing this kind of virtual conditions. At that time, you can appreciate yourself and just try to share and just try to enjoy, celebrate your little achievements. And in this condition, you will be happy.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. So true.
Yeah. So as you like really, I just felt really amazing. Seriously, after talk with you, and I also learned many things. Even I also do not prefer to yoga and exercise. Actually, when the pandemic is started at that time, actually I was really exhausted at the home. At that
Yeah,
time, actually I was really addicted to go outside for exercise like that. And in this condition, it's very hard to do any kind of thing. So, but
yeah,
yeah, right now I just got it that we also can do yoga anytime.
yeah. Anytime we can do it. It's
So
not compulsory.
this is really very amazing thing that we also can do anytime. So for that
Definitely.
things that we will continue next time with the next
Yeah,
topic. So actually,
yeah,
sir, this call is this conversation is recording. So
yeah.
are you comfortable if I will upload on my YouTube platform?
Uh, Okay, no issue. You can upload.
Oh,
You
that's
can
really
upload.
amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, and I think after watching this conversation recording, a lot of people they will gain some knowledge about yoga meditation, and I hope that if only one people they start doing yoga and meditation, then
Exactly.
it would give me a peace.
Exactly. And we will, like we have to go as a, turtle way.
Yeah,
A turtle way. We will have to go as a turtle way, not a rabbit way. If we will
yeah.
follow the rabbit,
Take baby step. Take baby step first. The first day do for 5 minutes. The second day do for 7 minutes, 10 days, and continue for next 10 or 15 days. And definitely after that, definitely it will become your habit. Whenever you
exactly,
wake up, you thought that yeah, let's start you doing. Nowadays, what happened with me when I do some morning activities? After that, my body start moving automatically. I start doing exercise, yoga, so it's become my part of life. I don't need to force my mind to let's because you need to do yoga. So you need to just make it habit. After when it will become your habit, you don't need to force yourself. It will
yeah,
definitely
exactly.
come and you will be
If
doing.
we will, yeah, if we will give to ourselves only 30 minutes, I can say only 30 minutes, definitely you are really amazing. Like you will be amazing in your life. 15 minutes of yoga, only like 15 minutes in the beginning of time. And
Yeah,
15 minutes we also can give the meditation. So definitely when we will get the result, and definitely we will give the time more and more and more because of like
definitely.
yeah.
After certain period of time, you will start gaining interest in that. Then you will love
Exactly.
to do more and more.
Yeah, and everyone want to keep, everyone wants that. Yeah, everyone wants that. My mind, my mental power, my intelligence, my genius mind,
Yeah,
like really amazing in front side of all. That I am only and only like I should be intelligent rather than all. So everyone do like that. So
yeah,
definitely, we all should be concentrations on the yoga, exercise, or meditations. And
yeah,
I will actually I would like to say, if no one wants about the yoga, so definitely you can ask to the Vikas sir. Definitely I will invite you again, and definitely if you will have any kind of questions related yoga, because he's a really amazing teacher of yoga in the Bihar. And you also can ask to, every people so much biggest fan of Vikas sir. So
yeah,
that's why
yeah.
you also can
People
ask.
can people
Uh-huh.
can make comment on your video. Definitely, I would come again and I will answer those questions.
Yeah, definitely. So for that thing, I want to say only to my audience that if you have any kind of query relate yoga, relate meditations, so definitely you can ask Vikas sir live. Definitely, we will come again in the future if you will support to us. And for that thing, just try to keep health and wealth and buy a stressful life. Just
Yeah,
release your stressful of
yeah,
life.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So
At the
for that,
end, ma'am, I would like to say one quotation that sound mind lives only in sound body. Sound
wow.
mind lives only in sound body. So try to be fit mentally and physically, then definitely you will be a great personality.
Exactly, exactly. And you don't have need to, see that I love Shah Rukh Khan or Salman Khan. You will love yourself when you are like
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Exactly.
definitely.
So, yeah. So thank you so much and have a really, really have
Okay.
a great good day. And
Thank you,
Jai
ma'am.
Hind,
Thanks
Jai
for
Bharat. Yeah.
inviting.
Jai Hind
I
and Jai
really enjoyed while talking with you. Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks for inviting me. It was so pleasure to talk to you.
Yeah. Same